HubSpot versus Insightly, CRM with project management tools. Links to both platforms are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare HubSpot and Insightly, two CRMs that cater to different business needs. HubSpot is a comprehensive solution for marketing, sales, and customer service, while Insightly combines CRM functionality with robust project management tools. Let's break down their features, target users, and key differences to help you decide which is best for your business. HubSpot is designed for businesses looking for a powerful all-in-one platform to manage customer relationships and drive growth. Its CRM capabilities include advanced email tracking, sales pipeline management, marketing automation, and customer service tools. HubSpot also offers seamless integrations with numerous third-party apps and has a highly customizable interface. Its reporting features are robust, enabling teams to gain deep insights into customer behavior and campaign performance. HubSpot is an excellent choice for businesses focused on scaling operations while maintaining a strong alignment between marketing, sales, and service teams. Its versatility makes it suitable for companies of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Insightly, on the other hand, is tailored for small to medium-sized businesses that value project management alongside CRM capabilities. In addition to standard CRM features like contact management and pipeline tracking, Insightly provides built-in project management tools. Users can create tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor project progress, making it a great option for teams that need to manage client relationships and projects within a single platform. Insightly integrates well with tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack, but it doesn't have the same depth in marketing automation or advanced analytics as HubSpot. In summary, HubSpot is the better choice for businesses seeking a fully integrated CRM with advanced marketing, sales, and customer service tools. Insightly stands out for teams that need a CRM with built-in project management features to streamline both client and internal workflows. The decision ultimately depends on your business priorities. Check out the links in the description to explore each platform further.